Hello, welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about 5 core exercises you should do every day. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. When it comes to fitness, it is often your core muscles that end up getting the least importance. The exercises are also often limited to just sit-ups and crunches. However, core exercises should be a vital part of your fitness regime and should feature in your everyday routine. So, have it in mind that while you are trying to make a healthy and attractive body, you must work on every part of your body, not on a specific part. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 of the best abs workouts to do every day and have a toned belly. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. There are a wide range of benefits of having a strong core. Core strength improves your overall balance and the flexibility of your body, making you more agile and fit. The benefits of core strength also include an improvement in your posture, improvement in your endurance levels, alleviation of back pain issues, toning of your abs, and the strengthening of your muscles to a great extent. You can try out a wide variety of core exercises based on your fitness needs and your ability. Here are 5 of the best core exercises that you can try. Number 5. Reverse crunch. If you want more abdominal activity, then this exercise is the perfect solution for you. It helps in working your obliques, glutes, neck muscles, transverse, and rectus abdominis. These are very easy core exercises that you can practice every day. For the sit-ups, you need to lie on your back and then lift up your torso without balancing your body with your hands. If you don't want to go with the traditional sit-ups, you can try the reverse crunch, wherein you would start in the sitting position and then slowly lower yourself down while keeping your legs raised. By this, your body would not rely on the momentum that your body would gain while doing the traditional sit-ups. Number 4. Seated in and out. This is one of the advanced core exercises which engages all parts of your belly. It might be difficult, but it will be worth it. Begin the exercise by sitting on the floor and bending to your knees. Keep your back straight. You can put your hands on the floor to make it easier, but we strongly suggest that you lift your hands off the floor. Draw your knees into your chest, and then straighten your legs out. Are you asking for the extra intensity? Great! You can hold dumbbells with your hand and burn a huge number of calories. Just consider this point, that your legs shouldn't touch the ground in our position. Do this exercise for 1 minute in each set. Number 3. Crunch pulse. This is the kind of workout that seems easy until you haven't done it yet. The crunch pulse is the normal crunch. The difference is in regular crunch, after every sit-up, you put your back and shoulders on the ground, but in crunch pulse, your shoulders should never touch the ground. You just need to do some little pulses. It's better to keep a little distance between your heels and the ground to add more intensity to the movement. Even the range of motion is not too much, but I promise this workout will burn your belly fat hard. Do this exercise for 60 seconds in one set, and repeat sets for 3 times. Number 2. Deadbug. This exercise is great for activating and firing up the core. It will help you develop control when contracting your core muscles. Unlike the plank, it involves moving, which means your abs will be contracting and lengthening but will remain under constant tension. It does require a little bit of coordination, but is simple to perform with a little bit of practice. Try 3 sets of 6-10 reps, or whatever it takes to feel your core light up. To do this exercise, you should push your stomach into the floor to close the gap under your back, extend one arm and leg straight out from the body, bring your arm and leg back to the middle and repeat on the other side. Number 1. Russian twist. To do this amazing abs workout, which is a great oblique builder, you should just lie down on the floor, bend your knees 90 degrees, and keep your feet close to each other. Now raise them a little bit. There is no need to make a big distance between your heels and the ground, just keep them up. Lean your back slightly, extend your arms, keep the weight in your hands, and twist your torso toward the right side until your hands touch the ground, and then twist to the left side and do the exact motion on that side. When you are touching the ground, hold the movement for at least 1 second, and then change the side. If you want to modify the exercise, you can put the heels on the ground. Do the exercise 20 times on both sides. Does core exercise reduce belly fat? While you can't shed belly fat by working on your core muscles alone, you can try a combination of specific core exercises along with a healthy lifestyle and another specific workout routine to eliminate belly fat. Exercises like aerobics and resistance training, when coupled with core exercise, can give you the desired effect when done diligently. There is a whole assortment of fun exercises that you can explore to build your core strength. When we say core, we are basically talking not just about your abdomen muscles but also your back muscles, obliques, your spinal region, rectus and transverse abdominis, pelvis and trunk. Any exercise that can activate your glutes, hip muscles, thigh and abdomen muscles, or a combination of these can be an ideal core exercise for you. If you have access to a good gym, then you can also try workouts using the core exercises gym machines built specifically to train your core muscles. If you are a beginner and are looking for an easy exercise to start with, there are lots of videos on our channel, you can check them out too. Do not hesitate to start your workout as soon as possible. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.